It's finally a green light, and HWM Group are straight into the southwest aspect of the complex with our excavators and specialist attachments. Time-lapse cameras are installed to capture the entire project.
Over the next 16 weeks, we'll be removing about 1,200 tons of steel and 600 tons of concrete, 160 tons of mixed wood, and 50 tons of cable and wiring. Our goal is to recycle about 98% of these materials.
The demolition progresses quickly, from the south creating sorting and clearing space behind us as we move forward. A service corridor behind the old cinema screens has been opened up, and our engineers have installed additional steelwork to reinforce the casino wall once separated. A concrete wall is poured to provide the outer base for the new cladding edge.
The last of the remaining upper steel sections are removed from the casino to enable the cladding work to progress. With the last of the arisings crushed and surfaces made up, drainage and power are installed and debris cleared from the surface.
Meticulous planning means processes overlap with military timing, and the tarmac surface starts to take shape. With all the engineering work complete, we just need a few parking bays marked out.
Another great team effort from HWM and our trusted suppliers.